there, if you are stuck in a sticky situation where you cannot unplug your charger from your Mach-E, this video is for you. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to manually release your charger. Switch your vehicle off, open the hood, and remove these panels, which will pop out. It might take a little muscle, but you can definitely do it. Move the low voltage service disconnect to the off position. This is very important. Locate the manual release mechanism between the hood and the windshield and pull forward. Remove the charge coupler from the charge port and turn back on the low voltage. Reinstall the panels and close your hood. And there you have it.